If you're running out of time and ideas for tonight's dinner, Howard will show us how to make this easy and delicious beef and beans loaded Hillbilly One Pot in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen.
You know, one pot cooking is something that I've always been a big fan of. So when I came across this longtime favorite, I knew I had to share it with you. Not only is it made start to finish in a soup pot, but it's budget friendly too, which is great right now since we're trying to set aside a few extra dollars for the holidays. We start by sauteing a good amount of ground beef in a pot until it's well browned. To that, we add some beef broth, a few cans of black-eyed peas, which are packed with protein and are really reasonable, a diced potato, some chopped celery, onions, and carrots, and a few off-the-shelf spices. After it comes to a boil, we'll lower the heat and let it simmer until our potatoes are tender. This is when all the flavors come together. When it's done, serve it up with some crusty bread and go to town. It's so simple, you'll probably want to add it to your weekly dinner routine. If you'd like the recipe for what we call our Hillbilly One Pot, all you have to do is visit our website. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found an all-in-one way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.
You can find this recipe along with a lot of more good food from Mr. Food Test Kitchen online. Just go to our website at komnewsnow.com. Now here's a look at the 4-state market prices.